All right, guys, welcome. Now, the purpose of this video is to show us um, on how to quickly on how to or the easiest way to mine the HGT token, or if you like, some people call it the hook protocol token. All right, so the quickest way to mine it for those who are mining it. All right, for those who are mining this token, there's a quick way to mine it. Do you understand? There's a quick way to mine it. Now, but the primary reason why I'm doing this video is not just because of this very mining app. It's not just because of this very mining program, this white cash uh, app. All right, is primarily because, for those who are into so many other mining programs, um, they could possibly see if they can apply uh, the same strategy that I'm going to use for this very one here, okay, in other mining programs that they have or they are into. You understand? And see if it will work out for them in those mining programs as well. Okay, so now what we're going to do now is you'll go to your Play Store. If you already have the app, this is the app. Um, this is the app, White Cash. Okay, if you go to Play Store or your App Store, you'll download it. But if you already have it, fine. If you don't have it yet, you just go and download it. All right. So once you've done that and you've downloaded it, you just click on Play. All right. You click on Play and you allow it to open. So for me personally, I have been mining this. I've been mining this token for a while now, for just a few weeks. For a few weeks now. All right, a few weeks I've been mining. Okay, so you can choose to, aside the mining aspect, you can also choose to partake or participate in quiz. Okay, you answer some crypto related questions and you earn some HGT token for it. Okay, you earn some HGT token for it when you answer the crypto questions. Okay, it's a quiz. But aside that, the mining aspect is the major part. All right, so all you just do is you go straight to this place where it says mining. All right, you click on it. So once you click on it, this is the mining part. Okay, so if you observe, I've been mining for a while. Just a few days, though I'm not consistent because of other engagements. So I've been mining for a while, but this is my total here at the top, right hand side at the top. That total there is part of that. What makes it 186,673 is because of some of the crypto questions. That's the quiz aspect, where I was able to participate and answer some questions, got them correctly, and I earned some HGT token. Okay, and also just a referral bonus too. Do you understand? So, but those are just by the way. The main thing here is the mining part. All right, and for you to cash out, actually, when you click on wallet, the wallet session, for you to cash out, you need minimum of 800,000 HGT token. Minimum of 800,000 unlocked hooked gold token, or if you like, minimum of 800,000 HGT token. So with that, you'll be able to withdraw. Okay, or you just do, let's say you want to withdraw and you have 800,000 HGT token and above, you just click on swap and transfer. Okay, once you click on swap and transfer, all right, so the next thing you're going to do, if you notice, in my own case, it says insufficient uHGT. All right, because mine is not up to, see my own here is not up to 800,000, which is the minimum. So that's why it's showing insufficient. All right, but let's say I have 800,000 and above. All I will just do is I'll go straight to here. you see where it says withdraw. I will just click on this withdraw button here. As at when I joined, okay, like I said, I'm not consistent, okay, but as at when I joined, this withdraw button wasn't showing yet. It was, what was here was something like coming soon. The button coming soon. The withdraw button wasn't showing yet, but today it's showing, okay, so it's live. So you can go here and withdraw your HGT token if you are actively mining. You understand? So the primary reason I'm doing this video is to show us that there is a way to automate this mining, this very one, okay. And also you can as well on your own, if you are into other mining programs, choose to apply the same strategy in other mining programs that you are into and see if it can work out for you. Do you understand? So what you're going to do now is, let's go back. What you're going to do now is you click on the mining button, okay, and once you click on tap, this button here, tap, all right, it will start mining, okay. This guy here will start mining, okay. So let me click on tap. All right, can you see that? So you need to daily, every 24 hours, you need to mine a maximum of 10,000 uHGT token. A maximum of 10,000 uHGT token. You understand? So the uHGT token, you need to mine a maximum of 10,000 every 24 hours. So if you observe, you see this guy here is mining, the mining is going on, okay? Is in progress, but the mining is slow. Can you see this number here? The way the way it's counting, so it's slow. So there's a way to automate it. It will be faster, okay. And before you say jack, it has gotten to 10,000. You understand? So that's why I'm doing this video. So let's go back to your Play Store or your to your Play Store or to your Google to your App Store or to your Play Store, okay. In my own case, is Play Store. So you go back and search for auto clicker. Search for auto clicker. I already have it, okay. So once you download it and you open it, all right, one will just set certain things. You click on OK. All right, then you click on it again, auto clicker. Just locate it and click on it. Then you turn on this button here. All right, click on it. Say, just click on OK too. Good. Then go back again. Then if there's a way you can segment your phone, you split the screen, you split the display of your phone into two different sessions. Some phones does that, even mine do that too. And you are running two different mining programs and you want to mine both at the same time using this auto clicker, you can do so. Okay, all you just have to do is to enable this multi-target mode. You understand? But I'm not doing that in this case, okay. So all I'm doing here is I'm going to click on the enable button for the single target mode. You understand? But before I will do that, I'll have to click on settings. All right, settings. So you click on settings. So you make sure here, this anti-detection, you make sure you check it. All right, like mine is checked. Let me uncheck. Okay, so I'll check it. So in your own case now it will be like this, okay. So you make sure you check it. All right, so with this, the those behind the white cash app where that mining is taking place, all right, those behind it, the those behind it won't find out or won't be able to know that you are using a third-party app or software, if you like, to automate your mining. You understand? So make sure you check it. All right, make sure you check, you click on that tiny box there to check it for anti-detection, okay. Once you've done that, just go back a bit, and the next thing is you enable this button. Just click on the enable button. Let me do that. Good. Can you see? So we have we have this button and we have these ones here. All right, so go back again, press the back button. Good. Now go back to your app, minimize and go back to the uh, white cash app. All right. Remember, it is still mining right now. Is at 946. Okay, over 10,000. Okay, 954 of 10,000. Okay, like I said, 10,000 is the maximum. So what you do next is you drag this button, this circular button. All right, drag it over this tap button here. Okay, drag it over. Let me drag it. Can you see? So you drag it over, you drag it over it, right? So once you've done that, the next thing you have to do is to click on the play button. Can you see play button here by the left hand side? That blue play button, the blue play icon button, okay, or play icon, okay. You click on it. Once you click on it, provided you've dragged this circular button over the tap button, all right, then once you click on the play button, this mining, the rate at which it is mining will be faster. All right, it will be automated. So let me do that immediately. No time. Can you see that? So just watch. I will allow you to get to 10,000, okay, because it is for every 24 hours is 10,000 maximum. All right, so I will allow it. And while this is going on, make sure you don't interrupt. Okay, make sure you don't interrupt your screen. Just allow it to finish. All right, because any interruption brings the automated mining to a halt, to a stop. Okay, so just allow it. It won't waste your time. Okay, so let's just allow it to finish. Let us allow the automation or the automated mining or the automation to finish. It will soon get to 10,000. Just watch, observe. So while we are waiting for it to get to 10,000 HGT token for the day, which is for 24 hours, I am also saying you can possibly see if you can still use this same auto clicker app for other mining programs that you are into. All right, so perhaps you are into so many other mining programs aside the white cash app, which is the HGT token or the hooked protocol. Okay, you can use that same auto clicker app for other mining programs that you are into. Do you understand? So that's it. It all depends on you. All right, if you want to try it out, it all depends on you. But with this app for this very program now, this very mining program, you will mine at a faster rate. Okay, you mine at a faster rate, not that sluggish way that the mining is being done. No, it will now be automated. You understand? So just make sure you follow the procedures that I have given so far in this video on how to get everything up and running. All right, yes, make sure you follow, and you go to this point and you have your mining automated. So once it gets to 10,000, it's at 6,000 plus now. Once it gets to 10,000, it will still be mining. Okay, it's automated. All right, it will still be mining. I mean, the thing will still be going on, but the counting, this counting part of it, okay, will stop. This one that is reading 6,007, 6,008, can you see? It will stop because the maximum is 10,000, so it can't exceed 10,000 for every 24 hours. Do you understand? So that's it. That's it. Can you see? Very fast. Very fast. Very, very fast. So it's a secret. Is a new hack that I have been using ever since I started mining. That's a new hack I've been using, okay, to automate my mining, especially in this very mining program, the white cash app. You understand? So you apply same in your own case. All right, so let's just allow it to get to 10,000. It is at 8,700 plus. Okay, 8,008. Can you see very fast? 8,009. Can you see that? We are in 9,000 plus. You see, very fast. So before you say Jack, we've arrived at 10,000. 9,004, 9,005, 9,006. You see, very fast. 9,007, 9,008. Here we go. 9,009 and 10,000. Can you see? So it is still mining, all right, but it has stopped counting. Can you see the timer now? The timer has just appeared. 23 hours 50 minutes. So in the next 24 hours you go back to your white cash app again, okay, and set up everything just the way I explained in this video, and mine again. Do you understand? So the stuff we keep mining. If I should leave it like it will keep mining. Do you understand? So you have to stop it. How to stop it is you click on that. You know, when we how we got started, I mean regarding the automation, okay, the automated mining, we clicked on the play button, right? The play icon. So you click on the pause button. So I will click on it. Can you see? Then I'll click on this button here. I'll click on this button here. There's like should I say like a cross, permit me, or pardon me. You click on it, okay, then you click on the multiplication sign, which is the exit button. All right, once you click on it, the auto clicker app will be exited from this platform. Okay, so that's it. So at this point we've come to the end of this video. See you next time. Make sure if you don't have the app yet, I have the sign up link in the description of this video. You can use it. All right, see you next time in the next video.